Hello students, welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, that is factors and multiples. Under this chapter, our today's topic is factors and multiples and types of numbers. These two things we are going to discuss today. So let's begin with our today's topic. So first comes factors. So what are factors? A number which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder is called factor of the given number. Example, to find all the factors of 72, 72 can be written as the following product. So 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12 and 8 into 9. So these all are the factors of 72. So we can say the factor of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Okay. So in this way we can find the factors of the given numbers. When a number is multiplied by another number, the product is called the multiple of those numbers. So multiples, what do you mean by multiples? When a number is multiplied by another number, the product is called multiple of those numbers. Okay. For example, find 5 multiples of 6. So let us find the product of 6 with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have multiplied 1 into 6 equal to 6, then 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 6 is 18, 4 into 6 24 and 5 into 6 is 30. So the multiples of 6 are 5 multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 and so on. Every number is multiple of 1 and itself. And every number has infinite number of multiples. We can write any number of multiples for a given number. Okay. Types of numbers. Even number. What do you mean by even number? The number is exactly divisible by 2 is called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Example, 736, 394. So any number ends, that is unit place of the number is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 we are having, then it is called an even number. Odd number, any number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here also we conclude that if the unit place of a number is not divisible by 2, then the number is odd number. Then we are having prime numbers. So what do you mean by prime numbers? A prime number is a natural number which does not have any factor other than 1 and itself. Only 1 and the number itself is the factor for prime number. So other prime numbers are, some of the other prime numbers here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 etc. These all are prime numbers because they have the factor 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers, a natural number which is greater than 2 and has more than 2 factors is called composite number. So any number having more than 2 factors is called composite number. For example, 4, 8, 12, 18, 20 and so on. Then we are having twin primes. So pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime. For example, 3 and 5, their difference is 2 and they are prime number, so twin primes. So prime triplets, a set of 3 consecutive prime numbers whose difference is 2 is called prime triplet. The only prime triplet is 3, 5 and 7. These 3 numbers having difference of 2 and they are consecutive prime numbers. Okay. Then we are having co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Two natural numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. For example, 16 and 27. These are two natural numbers. They are not prime numbers, but they are natural numbers. But both these two numbers have common factor 1 only. So they are called co-prime numbers. All consecutive numbers are co-prime numbers. Consecutive number means 15, 16, 16, 17, 8, 9. These all are co-prime numbers. Then perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is equal to the twice of the number, then the number is called perfect number. For example, we consider 6. So the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are factors of 6. So sum of factors is equal to twice of the number. Here we have been told that if the sum of all the factors of a number is equal to twice the number. So sum of factors is equal to twice the number, 2 into 6. So sum of factors, we add the factors here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 12. So add these factors, if we are getting 12, so 12 equal to 12. We have got LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we can say that 6 is a perfect number.